we sent this new memory game, and it's so cool because you don't even know what to do. So you just open one and see which color it is. It says,
what does that say? Cyan.
Cyan. And if you open another one, and if you get a white, you get to leave it open like that, and then try again.
Oh, those didn't match. And now if you're playing with two people, you would pass it over to the other person. There's a whole bunch of different cards. There's even holiday ones. Christmas, they're double-sided. And here's a vehicle one. We have another Christmas one. Marine animals. She's playing with the colors, forest animals, letters, and fruits, shapes, and then insects. So lots of different cards, and all you do is you slide them in when you're ready, and you can keep all the other cards back in there as well. And then you're ready for a whole new game. So I would have gotten an orange and a pear, and those don't match. Your turn. So super fun. It is made for, I'd say like preschool age. My girls are a little bit old for this game. It's a little too basic for them. They are 6 and 7.5. But such a great game, and I love that it's a wood, and you can also take this in the car or take this when you're traveling. Very, very simple, fun memory game to help your kids boost up those memory skills.